Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what you need: a trustworthy VPN and payment ready. Pick a provider with AES 256 or WireGuard and confirm a strict no-logs policy so your activity is private. Once chosen, create an account and pay using the method you prefer. Residents often choose anonymous options to reduce traceability. Make sure the provider has servers in nearby regions for speed. Finally, download the correct app for your device now so you can move on to installation without delay. You proceed to installation and configuration carefully. Install the official app, avoid side-loaded files, and sign in. Choose WireGuard for performance or OpenVPN if you need wider compatibility. The why is simple. WireGuard reduces latency, OpenVPN is rock solid. Enable the kill switch so your IP never leaks if the VPN drops, and turn on DNS leak protection to keep queries private. Once done, set AutoConnect for untrusted Wi-Fi and pin a few fast servers to your favorites for quick access. Now you connect and verify. This is crucial. Choose a nearby server for lower latency, then confirm your new IP and country with an IP lookup. Make sure DNS queries show the VPN provider. If access is blocked, switch protocols, try obfuscated or stealth servers, or force TCP on port 443 to blend with regular HTTPS traffic. If issues persist, restart the app, flush your device DNS cache, or reinstall the client. And if all else fails, contact the provider support for guided troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.